Still a ways to go.
Redington Shores. I want to show the double tree. The double tree where we got married.
There's our beach, Redington Shores Beach.
That's the access, yeah.
We've been
right
there a lot
over
of
here.
times. Yep.
It's empty tonight.
Rach, look at this car right now. Beautiful. I love that color.
Oh my gosh.
Pretty, no?
Yeah, it is.
It says Springer. Jerry Springer. Well, it says Springer. The license plate says Springer. So get a cookie at Redington.
A cookie?
Yeah,
Oh,
they
at
give
the
you a
double tree, you
They
mean?
give you a cookie.
Ouch.
Oh, maybe they're just not open today.
Oh, the Sea Breeze
Yeah,
restaurant?
it's weird.
There are a lot of places for sale, but that's understandable because of the hurricane and stuff. The hurricanes. Doggy.
There's Amy's aunt.
Yeah.
There's
The
Kenny's
yacht.
Corner.
The yacht. Yeah, Kenny's Corner is over here, right there. And then it's coming up on the right.
There's the Soul. We stayed there.
Oh, we stayed at the Soul
that's
also.
knocked down too.
Wait, it says now open. What happened? Oh no.
Got housed with the
From the hurricane, probably.
And she got housed, right?
Language.
That sign was knocked down too. There's our Dunkin' Donuts.
That is a good Dunkin'
Yes,
Donuts.
that Dunkin' Donuts
over
is
there.
very good. Extremely good.
Okay, so Doubletree is going to be up here on the right. I will try to get it. It's that pinkish, bluish. Right there.
There's the sign,
That's where
too.
we got married.
Let's get the sign.
I did.
Coconut Charlie's. That's something new?
No, that's the one of the restaurants over there.
Oh, I didn't know. It was
Yeah.
Coconut Charlie's.
Yeah.
What was the other place? Oh, is this one right here? The
Oh,
Sale. That's
the
where Kelly
Sales.
stayed.
That's where my bestie Kelly stayed
I
when
wonder
we
if
got
it's
married.
Still open.
It says it is.
Looks like it's renovating, right?
Oh yeah, it might have got destroyed from the storm.
By the storm, exactly.
My question is, how come we haven't seen froggies? Did it go
it's
out?
Not there.
Did it go out?
Is it there?
All right, we
I
have to
gotta
pay.
turn around and look.
What? Did you
Check
pay?
it.
Is there anybody in that lane coming? Is there?
Yeah, you are.
Oh my gosh, we're turning around.
Plenty of time. You're right. I don't see it. The frog pond, right?
Isn't the frog pond supposed to be right over here?
Yeah, was it? It's like in the middle, isn't it? The restaurant. It says right here, restaurant.
Oh,
Yeah, there's frog
there
pond.
it is. Okay.
Oh, it looks like
There's
it's
a car
closed.
coming parked. There's a car
It's
coming.
closed, Rach. Unless it's, yeah.
I mean, it's only open till 2. The frog pond. Let me pause this. Anyway, guys. Oh, look, there's a frog and it says coming soon.
I told you.
No
It's
way.
not here because the sign's not up anymore.
No way. All right, just
Yeah.
pay attention to the traffic, please.
I'm telling you, they got housed.
Wow.
They got housed here, Rach. Even our hotel looks pretty fucked up.
Watch the car that's coming.
Look at our hotel over
Oh,
there.
we're going over here. We stayed over here. Is this where we stayed with Loki, right?
Yeah.
We stayed over
This is
here
all
with Loki.
destroyed over here. I was in that pool.
Yeah.
The
This
lady
place-
was so
she
nice.
Was, yeah, that
So
place was
nice.
so nice. What's the name of it though? I forget.
I don't know. There's no name on it anymore.
Oh my gosh! Watch the car.
Remember, she was like, "You can do this, you can do that."
We had like literally when we stayed here, we had
The whole
when we
thing
stayed
to
at this
ourselves.
place right here. We had the place to ourselves with Loki, and it was amazing. But I don't remember what the name of it is
Because
now.
the sign is gone.
Yeah, the sign isn't up.
And the kitchen, coastal
Oh,
kitchen, is closed too.
jeez. Okay.
All right.
All right, gotta go. Bye.